The power of fiber unlocking cancer prevention and hormonal balance. Introduction. Fiber is not only essential for digestion but also plays a powerful role in preventing chronic diseases, including cancer. Emerging research highlights how fiber byproducts known as short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, regulate gene expression through epigenetic mechanisms, influencing hormone metabolism and inflammation. Despite these impressive benefits, most modern diets fall short of adequate fiber intake, contributing to a rise in metabolic disorders and hormone-related cancers. Understanding the intricate link between fiber, gut health, and chronic disease prevention underscores the importance of optimizing fiber consumption for long-term well-being. Understanding fiber and its role in gene regulation. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that the body cannot fully digest. As fiber ferments in the colon, gut bacteria produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, including butyrate, acetate, and propionate. These SCFAs not only nourish colon cells, but also play a critical role in epigenetic regulation by attaching to DNA regions and modulating gene expression. How SCFAs influence gene expression. Butyrate and epigenetic control. Butyrate inhibits histone deacetylases, HDACs, enzymes that silence tumor suppressor genes. By inhibiting HDAC activity, butyrate keeps these genes active, helping prevent abnormal cell growth and reducing cancer risk. Propionate and acetate impact on inflammation. Propionate and acetate regulate immune responses by modulating cytokine production, reducing systemic inflammation, and contributing to a healthier immune environment. Scientific evidence supporting epigenetic influence. A study published in Nature Reviews Cancer demonstrated that butyrate produced from fiber fermentation enhances DNA stability and modulates gene expression, protecting against colorectal and other gastrointestinal cancers. Research in cell metabolism highlights how SCFAs generated through fiber metabolism influence key signaling pathways that reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Fiber and cancer prevention, what the research says. A comprehensive review of 11 meta-analyses has confirmed a significant correlation between high fiber consumption and a reduced risk of multiple cancers, including gastric, esophageal, ovarian, and endometrial tumors. Fiber's protective effects are attributed to its ability to regulate hormone pathways. Fiber binds to excess estrogen in the digestive tract, preventing its reabsorption and reducing circulating estrogen levels, thereby lowering the risk of hormone-sensitive cancers such as breast cancer. Reduce systemic inflammation. SCFAs produced during fiber fermentation have anti-inflammatory properties that inhibit the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines linked to cancer progression. Meta-analysis findings. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that individuals consuming 25 to 30 grams of fiber daily had a 19% reduced risk of developing colorectal cancer. Research in cancer epidemiology, biomarkers, and prevention demonstrated that higher fiber intake significantly reduced the risk of hormone-related cancers, including breast and endometrial cancers, by modulating estrogen metabolism. Fiber's role in hormonal balance and estrogen regulation. Hormonal balance is crucial for overall health, and fiber plays a pivotal role in regulating estrogen levels. Excess estrogen, when left unchecked, can fuel the development of hormone-related cancers. Fiber assists in reducing estrogen reabsorption. Fiber binds to estrogen metabolites in the intestines, promoting their excretion and preventing reabsorption into the bloodstream. Lowering estrogen bioavailability. A high-fiber diet reduces circulating estrogen, which lowers the risk of breast and endometrial cancers. Scientific evidence supporting hormonal balance. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that women consuming at least 30 grams of fiber daily had significantly lower circulating estrogen levels, reducing the risk of hormone-related cancers by 20%. Research in molecular nutrition and food research demonstrated that high fiber intake decreased estrogen bioavailability, highlighting fiber's role in promoting hormonal balance. The modern fiber deficit. Implications for gut and metabolic health. Modern diets, characterized by ultra-processed foods, refined grains, and low fiber intake, have led to a dramatic decline in fiber consumption. This fiber deficit contributes to chronic metabolic strain. Low fiber intake leads to insulin resistance, obesity, and increased inflammation, setting the stage for chronic diseases. Disrupted gut microbiome. Fiber deficiency starves beneficial gut bacteria, reducing SCFA production and impairing gut barrier integrity. Evidence highlighting fiber deficiency. A study published in Gut Microbes found that modern Western diets provide only 15 grams of fiber daily, significantly below the recommended intake of 25 to 38 grams. Research in nutrients highlights that fiber deficiency contributes to gut dysbiosis, impaired immune function, and increased risk of metabolic syndrome. Introducing fiber safely. Gradual progression for gut health. For individuals with compromised gut health or those new to fiber-rich diets, introducing fiber gradually is key to avoiding discomfort and supporting microbial balance. Start with easily digestible carbohydrates. White rice and fruit juices provide gentle sources of glucose to support microbial balance without excessive fermentation. Gradual introduction of fiber-rich foods. Progress to fibrous vegetables, fruits, and legumes to support gut health while minimizing bloating and gas. Step-by-step fiber. Introduction. Start with low FODMAP foods. Opt for easily digestible carbohydrates to prepare the gut for fiber introduction. Add soluble fiber. First, incorporate foods like oats, carrots, and apples to promote gentle fermentation and SCFA production. Introduce insoluble fiber gradually. Add leafy greens, broccoli, and whole grains to enhance bowel regularity and gut motility. Special considerations: severe cases. For individuals with severe gut dysfunction, starting with dextrose water may provide an initial source of glucose to support microbial balance before fiber introduction. Probiotic support. Incorporating high-quality probiotics can enhance microbial diversity and improve fiber tolerance. Practical tips for optimizing fiber intake. To maximize the benefits of fiber, consider the following tips. Aim for 25 to 38 grams daily. Include a variety of fiber-rich foods such as vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Balance. Soluble and insoluble fiber. A mix of soluble and insoluble fiber ensures optimal gut health and SCFA production. Hydrate adequately. Increasing fiber intake requires sufficient water to prevent constipation and promote regular bowel movements. Conclusion. Fiber is an essential cornerstone of health, influencing gene regulation, hormone balance, and cancer prevention through its role in producing short-chain fatty acids. While modern diets often lack adequate fiber, optimizing fiber intake can significantly reduce the risk of hormone-related cancers, regulate inflammation, and support gut health. Gradually introducing fiber, maintaining hydration, and incorporating diverse sources of fiber ensure maximum benefits. By addressing the fiber deficit, individuals can restore metabolic balance, enhance hormonal health, and protect against chronic disease.